What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Witchblades by Lil Peep. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, when you get done, jump in the description below. I've left a link there for a free ebook for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's great for all skill levels. It's just a little gift that I like to give to you guys for coming to the channel and checking out the content. Also, all the equipment that I use in the videos is linked down there as well. So if you're interested in that, you want to see like the kind of stuff that I'm using to make these videos, that's all in the description as well. So when you get done, check all that out. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, so this song is super simple. It's just 4 chords that you're going to alternate through. You're going to be in drop D tuning, which is standard tuning, and then tune your low E down to a D. So it should be 1 octave below that string. Now, this is a piano part, so I'm just going to show you the chords for how they're played on guitar because the piano is played a little bit differently. The sample is from a 3 Days Grace song. It's slowed down a little bit. So I'll show you the chords. The first one you're going to do is you're going to start on your 5th fret and use your middle finger to bar the 3 thickest strings. And by that I mean just hold down all 3 strings with that 1 finger. That's the first chord. Second chord, you're going to put your index finger on your 3rd fret on your A string and your pinky finger on your 5th fret on your D string. Then your 3rd chord is the same as on your 5th fret. You're doing that same exact thing, but on your 1st fret. Just the 3 thickest strings. I use my index finger for that one. And then your final chord is the same formation as this chord, just move it down 2 frets. So that's index finger on your 1st fret on your A string, and then your pinky finger on your 3rd fret on your D string. Now you can strum through these chords any way that you want. The strumming pattern that I use is a simple down, 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 up. And that looks like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Again, don't forget to get your free ebook in the description below before you leave. Also, any questions or comments, concerns, or any other songs that you guys want me to teach you, leave all that in the comments section below. Again, please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and we will see you guys in the next video.